And right now is the perfect time to start planting flowers or food in your garden. And if your kids want to help, the Orlando Science Center has a great idea for getting them involved.
Yeah, Alex Alisi is there learning about all of the seed bombs in today's The Science of It.
Hello everyone and welcome to The Science of It here at the Orlando Science Center. I'm here with Brittany, and Brittany, what are we going to be doing this week?
Well, I've come here today as part of the education department to show you all seed bombs, but 3 different ways. And these are activities where you can help out in the garden using things that you might have around the house, and you don't even need a green thumb to enjoy it, all right?
So what kind of materials do you have?
So the very first one that I have, you know, birthdays happen year round, and we always have that leftover tissue paper that might be a little bit crumpled, something we might not want to use again, but we don't really want to throw out. So a really good way to get little hands working in the garden is to go ahead and have them rip up all of that tissue paper. Now, normally for something in nature like a seed bomb, we would use soil, but this tissue paper is actually a really great biodegradable substrate that you can use as well, and adds a little bit of color along the way. So any color will do. You do want to stay away from any tissue paper that might have glitter on it or some extra tape, but just rip those pieces away and the rest is good to go. Okay. So all you do is rip it up, add your seeds and a little bit of water, and you roll it up into a seed ball just like this.
Awesome. So what kind of seeds do you use for this?
So right now today we are using chia seeds because that's what we had on hand, but I definitely recommend looking online for some Florida wildflowers. This is a great time of the year to support our amazing pollinators who might be migrating long distances and need a place to hang out. So more wildflowers in our city beautiful is always a good thing.
Awesome, right? So what's the other ways to make these seed bombs?
All right, so the next one is maybe if we don't want to get our hands too dirty, but we still want to spice up our areas, okay? This is simply a recycled spice container spice shaker, and all I've done is add some of those seeds right in here. Not only does it make a really fun noise for our littles, but as you're on a walk or just hanging out in your backyard, a little sprinkle goes a long way.
Nice.
And last but not least, my personal favorite, this is our herbivore coprolite activity that we do many times during camp, all right? As you may know, coprolite is actually fossilized dinosaur poop. We have our own museum here at the Science Center that highlights some amazing specimens of coprolite. But if you want to have some fun and spice up your seed bombs, I definitely would say make your very own herbivore coprolite, all right? It can be as realistic as you and your littles would like to make it. And it basically is exactly what herbivore or plant eaters would leave in their left behinds when nature calls, all right? And as you may know, the avocado is actually around today mostly because of large dinosaurs and land mammals like the giant sloth that loved to eat the entire avocado whole. Without that, we wouldn't have the avocado today, so that's a fun fact.
I did not know that.
Yeah.
So what is that substrate? What did you use for that coprolite kind of thing?
So what we use today is this lovely seed bomb matrix that you can get on the internet. What's really great about this is it is ready to go. It is a large brick. It's perfect. You don't need any extra water or anything like that. But if for whatever reason you don't want to purchase this, what you can use is essentially just any soil and then some clay powder, all right? You just want it to be kind of like a malleable consistency, almost like a Play-Doh, so that it really hugs those seeds.
Awesome, Brittany. So if people want more information about these types of activities, where can they go? What can they check out?
Well, one thing I would definitely check out, I am a little bit biased since I am part of education, but I would check out online at osc.org all of our information about summer camps and break camps. All of these activities are included in some of our summer camps, and even if they aren't included, we still have some really great things to show.
Awesome, Brittany. Well, thank you so much, and thank you for joining us here on The Science of It.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
If you would like to see some other cool stuff happening at the Orlando Science Center, it is open every day from 10 to 5, except on Wednesdays.